This is a triple, going up as a triple, all three beams. Doing a great job. I mean, a great job. I stayed in this business for about 3 years before I fell off a 4-story building towards being an iron erector, steel erector. They're putting up a library here in Martin, Tennessee, where the old police station used to be in Weakley County, Tennessee. Pretty neat that they're close enough that you can actually zoom in and get them. Pretty neat. Well, you figure that's probably about a 400 foot by 400 foot. It's every bit of 400 foot. I'm gonna say it's 400 foot because it actually goes on the other side of that UPS thing right over there. From column to column is probably 100 foot. I'm just guessing. I don't know. Maybe 500 foot. I may be off.